Hello everyone, I am Sayali and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to draw a realistic eye. To make this sketch I used graphic pencils, Cretacolor graphite powder, brush, mono eraser, charcoal pencil, paper stump to blend, electric eraser, kneadable eraser, rounder. And yeah, that's it. Take a rounder and make an iris. You can also do it freehand. I'm using light graphic pencil here, specifically 2H, to make outline of an eye. This is a graphite powder. We will use it with a brush to create a paste tone. To make pupil, we are going to use charcoal pencil as it's really dark. Make a rim of an iris with the same charcoal pencil and blend it with a brush so it will appear softer. Take a darker graphic pencil such as 5B to make the details. You can choose any darker pencil from 4B to 9B to do these details. I'm using kneadable eraser to make highlights. You can use electric eraser for more effective results. Okay, let's proceed to make outer surface. Now, we are using graphite powder to create a base tone. Take a charcoal pencil to create upper eyelid. We are smudging the lines with blending stump. I want to make glitter sort of eyeliner, so I'm going to use electric eraser to make that sparkly type of effect. While making eyelashes, Rather than making them in a predictable pattern, toss in some randomness. Some eyelashes will be bigger than the other. I'm also making the reflection here on the highlight. I like to make eyes because they reflect the truth. Every eye tells a story. You can say a person is sad, happy, or even excited just by looking in his eyes. Sometimes people fake a laughter, but they are sad inside. They say they are okay, but when you look in their eyes, it seems like a tiny window to the world inside. And it feels like a small person is sitting there and hoping that we could actually notice the pain he's trying to hide. So next time if you see tired eyes, go and talk to that person. Tell the person that you have noticed and you are there to listen. So right now we are making this eye. What do you feel? Which emotion this eye is reflecting? Is it sad? Is it happy? Is it excited? Is it hopeful? Or is it simply hiding the pain? Let me know in the comment section. Let's get back to the drawing. Here I am making waterline and few eyelashes. We are going to make them few because comparatively there are few lashes. And our eye is done. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy sketching!